Wubba lubba dub dub motherfuckers. What's going on, everyone? It is everyone's favorite jack of all trades with the foul mouth, Commodore Urban, and welcome back. This is going to be the first Commodore's meeting video for the new year 2025, so Happy New Year to all of you. And welcome for fucking tuning in here. And before I do dive into this bitch, I want a big special shout to all of you guys, my viewers and my subscribers, for fucking sticking around and watching this shit. The reason why I fucking do it's for all of you guys. So yeah. And it's January, and so a lot of shit has happened. A lot of great shit and a lot of bad shit. Let's just fucking start out with the good shit. Donald Trump is our president once again, guys, so fuck yeah, guys. Man, I was so excited when I seen him take the oath of office on the 20th. I mean, I literally watched the whole fucking day and shit. You know, I watch Newsmax. And by the way, if you guys don't watch Newsmax and you're watching other shit, you're probably getting fucking lied to. So check out Newsmax. They're real news for real people. But anyway, Trump got inaugurated on the 20th. Of course, it was fucking cold as shit outside. So they did it in the Capitol Rotunda, and right in there you got the fucking work, guys. Clearly, within the last week, he did more in one fucking week than most presidents fucking doing an entire fucking term. So, I mean, he's moving with the speed of Trump. And I'm so fucking happy for it. Our country's going back to fucking common sense, guys. We're going back to fucking common sense. All that bullshit, woke BS, nonsense, and other fucking stupid shit, gone. All these illegal aliens and shit in this country, fucking gone. And hello, sweet, sweet common sense. So fuck yeah. And if anybody is butthurt or wants to bitch about the fact that Trump is doing a good job and Trump is actually doing the work of the American people, then fuck you guys. I voted for him, so that's what I wanted. I wanted, you know, cheaper prices on shit. I wanted all the illegals to be gone. I wanted all this woke DEI bullshit to be gone. I just wanted common sense to come fucking back. And it fucking is. So there we go. There we fucking go. Common sense is back, guys. And everybody's going to fucking respect us. And as for President Trump and Vice President Vance, you guys fucking rock. So, anyway, you know, I was also, sadly, I got sick too, not too long ago, about a week ago, I got sick. It was about, I think it was either the 18th or the 19th, and I felt really badly ill. So on Inauguration Day, I was sicker than shit, but I did still try to I still watched it, but I was so damn sick I didn't do nothing. I was aching and hurting and shit from head to my feet. I couldn't do nothing, and when I was up, I was in so much pain and I just wanted to fucking cry. It sucked. I literally spent that whole day and the next day after that sleeping, just sleeping. I didn't eat, I barely drank anything, I just slept. And my mom was fucking sick. And my one sister got sick, and the other fucking brother got sick. And we didn't know what the fuck this shit was, and so we all went to the doctor different times and been checked out. We all had fucking influenza A. Influenza type A, flu A. I'm thinking, fuck. And mind you, I had COVID 3-4 times. I can tell you right now, this flu, a hell of a lot worse than COVID ever was. So the flu, there's no fucking laughing matter, guys. The flu fucking sucks. And so I did get over it, and one thing left I have is a real bad cough that hurts my chest, and bunch of nasal shit, just blowing out snot and mucus and shit. Fucking sucks. But I feel a lot better than how I did now, so. But yeah. And as for projects and stuff, of course, I did recently upload part 7 of my build of the Very Fire / Harry Beaver Corporation 1/350 scale IJ and Yamato. And I was, you know, taking my contour putty from testers and was filling in all the gaps and cracks and just removing, molding on detail and shit, because be replacing it with photo etch detail and shit. And it's gonna be crazy, but so that's already been uploaded. Part 7's been uploaded, and part 8 will be coming maybe soon enough. Maybe it's gonna be. I'm starting to do photo etch work on the hull of the ship, getting that fucking done and shit. And of course I'm gonna have to buy some fucking drill bits, because there's shit I gotta fucking do. I gotta get, you know, drill bits to drill holes. I need different size holes for shit. As President Trump would say, drill, baby, drill. We got drill, baby, drill. And that's what I gotta do. Finish doing that shit so I can get the main deck glued down and get photo etch put on it. And get the rest of the hull fucking photo etch. And get that son bitch primer. And get it painted. But that's gonna be a little while still. But it's coming along. Yamato's coming along nicely. Speaking of Yamato, I will have another book review, which this is actually another reference book. I'm actually doing a little bit of reading in this. I will be reviewing this book pretty damn soon. Battleship Yamato from the Anatomy of the Ship series. That motherfucker will be coming soon. So, fucking stay tuned for that. And also, the one book I did get from my brother, the Latte Golf Armada and the Pacific book. I am doing a review of that book as well. Pretty damn soon. So we'll get that shit done. But, you know, that's been what's been going on. I mean, like you said, you know, just been fucking excited about President Trump getting to work and doing right by us, the American people. As for all the Democrats and all those liberal supporters that don't like Trump, fuck you guys suck, eat shit. And for all you guys out there who love America, Trump was the right pick. So that's just me. Some people may not like the mean tweets and shit, but you know what? Trump's a real person, so in a lot of ways he reminds me of yours truly. Except he's fucking rich. And he's a very, very, very skilled businessman. I wish I was. And of course, like I said, I was sick. Hell a lot better now, but flu A. The flu ain't nothing to fuck around with, guys. That shit will fuck you over. And of course, been, you know, working on Yamato, and it's been pretty fun. A lot of people have been really kind of, you know, wide-eyed about my thumbnails. There's fucking reasons why I use my thumbnails like I fucking do. Because that's Yamato from Kantai Collection. What you look like as a person. It's Yamato. And I'm building the Yamato. They fucking interconnect with each other. So, there you go. Just like I fucking did when I built my Bismarck model. And when I started working on Prince Eugen, which I'm hoping to get that shit sometime this year. Because I want to work on Prince Eugen too and work on her. And of course, whenever I was doing my videos on my 1/200 scale Arizona, that was Arizona from Azure Lane. So, you guys don't fucking understand? Just look up Ship Girls. You'll get it. You'll understand. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on this month. Not much of the month left, but I'm hoping to maybe get a few more videos out before February. And then in February, just maybe try to get my drill bits and shit and stuff and be able to get that done and then just keep moving on from there. So there you go, guys. That is the January Commodore meeting. Hope I caught you up to speed with everything, and if you have any questions or comments about any of the fucking shit that I do, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back with you. And if you're new to the channel like the shit I fucking do, I do a little bit of everything. I'm the jack of all trades with the foul mouth, so so yeah. Hit the fucking subscribe button, hit the damn notification bell. Never miss a video from yours truly ever again. And until next time around, this is Commodore Urban. Saying have smooth seas and clear skies and happy sailing with you. God bless you all. Take care, stay safe, be yourselves. Jesus and the good Lord love y'all very much. And until next time around, I'll catch you in a warm trading wind where hell anyone know. And anchors away, motherfuckers. So, yeah.